Can you show me your city bus?
This is New York City bus.
Oh, it's a New York City bus?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like, it's for the airport.
Yeah.
It takes you to the airport. It says airport on the side of it.
Yeah.
Can you show me the side? I want to see where it says airport.
Right there.
Yeah, it says airport right there.
Yeah, and right there also.
On both sides it says airport, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's an airport bus. It's like a shuttle. Takes you to the airport.
Yeah.
What other cars do you have? What is that?
I like it.
You like that one? That's a Prius.
Repeat.
It's a Toyota Prius. It's also...
How do we open the door?
Oh, I don't think the door's open. What other cars you got?
I got it.
You know what this is for? This, you can put your cars inside.
Yeah.
You can put your cars right in there.
What's good?
Yeah, just like that. Fit a couple more in there.
This is the front or this is the front?
Oh, this is the front. How do you know that's the front? Because the windshield. Got a windshield there.
Yeah.
There you go.
Now we outside.
Yeah, you gotta lock it. Oop.
Now
Do the other side.
gonna open.
There you go. Putting a van in there. Are these your cars?
Yeah.
What are their names?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah.
You've been naming them. Who's this?
No.
Nathaniel?
Yeah.
Who's this?
Puppy.
Poppy?
Yeah.
Who's this?
Anna.
Anna? Who's this?
Ellie.
Ellie? And this one?
That is mommy.
Mommy?
Mason.
Mason?
Nanny.
Nanny?
Daddy.
Daddy.
Yeah.
And they're your friends?
Yeah. Those are my friends.
And they're your family?
Yeah. This is my friend Ellie.
Friend Ellie?
Anna.
Anna?
And Babe. And
Daniel?
no. Yeah. Puppy. Bye, baby. No baby is on the cup. Bye, daddy. Bye, puppy.
Whoa. Try it again. Oh, he's too big. He's not gonna fit.
Let's try Mason. Bye, mommy. Bye. Bye, Mason. No, daddy. Bye, daddy. Bye. Bye. Bye, mom, daddy. Bye. Bye.